But how do you find the median when it's an even number?
You divide and take the average of the two numbers as well.
Right, you take the average of the two middle numbers, and that's how you can get 133.5. Do we have a median for age yet? No? Well, I have it for you. It's also 16. Okay, before we finish, the last way to measure a central tendency is mode. Does anybody know what mode is? The correct that occurs the most. Mode is actually easiest to find in these data sets. You don't have to order anything or plug anything into a computer. So what is the mode for age, Taj? 16? Yes, it's also 16. Okay, what about the mode for height? What's the most frequently occurring height? 68. And the mode for weight? How could we make a mode, though, for weight? Is there a way we could do it? That's true. We can group them together. So if it's like 143 and 144, we could say they're about the same thing. They're part of the same 140s group. And then we can have a mode. So the last question I'm going to ask you guys is, why would we use a mode instead of mean or median ever? Is that your hand? No, it's scratching your head.
Because with the mode, that would actually better represent the majority of what you're talking about, because with the average, it just shows like, are you taking anybody up? It just basically summing up thing. The median, like what you said before with a 68-year-old group and a room full of 16-year-olds, the median is going to be 16, but that one 68-year-old still needs to be represented.
Okay.
Like that, so the mode would actually tell you who the majority is, but it would still tell you, but there's still other people there.
Okay. Anybody have a different answer? No? Well, it's really good specifically for a question where it doesn't have, it's not numerical. So, okay, so we can have like the average or the median for age. But let's say we asked a question like, what type of milk do you drink? And there's 1% skim, 2%. And you can't rank that, and you can't give those things a number. So what we can say is like 10 people drink 2% milk, and that was our mode. And that sort of gives you a better picture of what kind of, do you understand what I'm saying? You can't really do an average, a numerical average, or numerical median for that kind of variable. All right? We'll go over those kinds of variables later. All right, thank you very much. And I will collect your sheets. Just pass them to the end of the table. Yay.